Good morning, my name is Mike, and this here is the Nitecore MT2A Pro. I realized that this is the second time I've made this video, because the first time I called it NT3 something, I think it was, because I didn't even read the darn flashlight. And I regretted getting rid of it because I really liked it, but I ended up giving it to a viewer during one of my lives. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to give away another one. So Nitecore did send this to me for no charge in exchange for a fair and honest review. I'm going to do that. I'll leave the links for it below in Amazon. You do what you're going to do. Doesn't matter to me. But this is the light, and I regret getting rid of it. And it's 1,000 lumens. Now obviously it's still a little daylight. Sun's supposed to go down at 9:09. It's 9:12. But you can see right there. Now if I just lightly touch the button on the back, it will adjust the brightness. So, dim, medium, turbo. And there's the turbo. We'll take a closer look at it when the sun really goes down. But right now, the sun has gone down, technically. It's just not dark yet, that's all. You see, this is why I like this flashlight. It really lights up a room. So that's low, medium, off, high. And I would say that lights up this room pretty good. It's raining out. This is the Nitecore. Alright, I had to go out in the rain and move my wife's car. Has a lanyard as well as the belt clip. And it's really simple to use. And it's such a tight beams. That's medium, bright. Oh, sorry, let's do that again. Low. It's 50 lumens, medium, 300 lumens, and it's brightest at 1,000 lumens. And my house is right there, and it's approximately 150 meters away. And this lights it up, plus a little bit more. That is one pen light. Look at that. It just shines right through there. Now my final thoughts on the Nitecore MT2A Pro. I really like it. I think that this should be pretty much a staple inside anyone's bug out bag or toolbox. It's nice, it's portable, it's really bright. And if you saw that beam, you'll notice that it has a really tight spot right there. And it doesn't bleed a lot, so it's a nice combination of a thrower and a floodlight. Plus, it's just so darn handy to carry. I mean, it's just a nice size. Fits nicely in your chest pocket, fits nicely, like I said, into a toolbox or your fishing, your tackle box, etc. I'm really impressed with it. And the price is reasonable too. I'm going to leave the link below. And I'm hoping that I'll get a chance to test more Nitecore products because it's just so well made. I really like that handle. Okay, that's it. If you like this kind of video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like this kind of video, well, not my problem. And be sure to check out all my other videos here because I do review a lot of flashlights. I think everybody should have an extra flashlight around the house because when the lights go out, this is your first line of defense. Okay, thanks for watching.